Volkswagen really went all out at this year's IAA Mobility in Munich. They didn't just show one or two EVs, they rolled out three. You've probably seen the ID Polo and the ID Polo GTI already, but the real head-turner? The ID Cross concept. This one's big, because it's previewing VW's next production SUV, and it could sell like hotcakes. So, what's the ID Cross all about? The name tells you it's a crossover, kind of like a T-Cross, but electrically powered. Beyond that, it's got almost nothing in common with the gas-powered model. It's part of VW's small EV family built on a new front-wheel drive MEB platform, which also includes the ID Polo and Polo GTI, expected to hit showrooms in 2026, and even a future version of the ID Everyone concept coming in 2027. Design-wise, it's a little longer and taller than the Polo hatch, with 490 liters of cargo space plus a small front trunk, which none of the other ID models offer. It's got a clean, modern look, with LED lights in the front that VW calls friendly, plus three glowing rectangles on the C-pillar, a nod to the ID Buzz and the classic VW bus. Even the wheel design carries the rims pattern onto the sidewall, which looks cool but maybe not super practical. Inside, VW kept things simple but stylish. There's a big 13-inch touchscreen at the top of the dash, an 11-inch digital cluster, and some physical buttons below. Thankfully, no hunting through menus for the climate control. Plus, a small rotary controller on the console, so you can navigate without fuss. And if you want a calm cabin vibe, just put your phone face down on the wireless charger and the screen switch to a relaxed mode. Seats fold flat front to back, so you could actually stretch out and nap, reminiscent of a classic VW bus. Ambient lighting, soft fabrics, and warm beige colors make the whole space feel calm and inviting. Under the hood, or, well, the nose, VW hasn't shared all the battery specs yet, but the ID Cross promises around 261 miles of range. It uses a single front-mounted motor with about 208 horsepower, a touch less than the ID Polo GTI. The ID Cross is still technically a concept, but the production version arriving next summer will look nearly identical. Pricing should start around £25k/Euro 28k, which puts it in the mix with other small electric crossovers like the Kia EV2, Ford Puma Gen-E, and Volvo EX30. Bottom line, VW seems to have nailed the small EV SUV formula here: comfortable, practical, and stylish. This one could be a real hit.